Hello again, everyone. It's nice to see you again. We're back with another video about Deep World Frontier. So, since last week I wasn't able to do all that much, because I've been pretty busy doing other things, but hopefully by next week I'll have a whole bunch of stuff done that I can show off. So, this week, what I've been working on are a bunch of different little things. So I started working on this text box for the NPCs. Right now it's just a sprite with some text over it, but I'm hoping to have it expand and contract as the words appear on the screen, and also maybe some dialogue interactions, and maybe even like a shop menu for NPCs, sort of like this guy, who could maybe sell you items and buy stuff from you, perhaps. Who knows? I've also been working on starting some enemy sprites, so you probably saw this guy from last week as well. He's a snake enemy that I've been working on, and he'll be one of the simpler enemies. He'll just be slithering around, and when you get into range, he'll probably try to chase you and attack you. And I can show this on the screen, I've been working on a boss enemy, and I've got a bunch of frames of him drawn out, and he'll appear at some point in the game. I don't want to spoil it really. So here's an interesting part of the map that I wanted to show off. It kind of shows how you can do cool, interesting platforming with the power-ups that are provided. So let's see what we can do here with what we've got. So that's kind of like a showcase of what's possible with the current platforming power-ups that you can get. And there's going to be a lot more like world mechanics that will take advantage of these power-ups as well. Since my first video, I got a few suggestions from some people about, one of them is about the combat. So right now when you swing your sword, your character kind of stops in place, and he pointed out that this probably would kind of break the I don't know, the movement, I guess. And also I noticed another bug. So when your swing goes in these airwaves, it kind of travels upwards a bit. Kind of funny. But yeah, I'm probably going to change it so that when you swing your sword, you kind of have a mini dash, kind of like this. And that should help keep the movement going, and also add an extra layer to the platforming, I guess. Right now I don't have death implemented yet, so if I run out of hearts I'm still able to play in the game, but a suggestion I got from one of the viewers was if the character dies, your hat is left behind, and it would hold your currency or your items, and you would have to go and retrieve it after you die in order to get your stuff back. So I thought that was a neat concept that I could add for when your character dies. So that's pretty much all I have to show for this week. I know it's not much, but I had a lot going on, so in the next week I'll probably have a lot more work done on this, and I'll have some more stuff to show. And also thank you so much for the 10 subscribers we already have. I know it's not much, but I really appreciate the people who have already subscribed, and I encourage you to do the same if you haven't already. And yeah, stay tuned for more videos coming in the future. Peace.